Hey, hello, it's me, Jimmy T. Today, talk about Biomaser tattoo machines because of one audience asked me, okay, what do you think about this machine? So now you didn't specifically say which model number. I've been look at it. Okay, Thunder Low Power. So complicated the name, okay, especially this is my second language. Come on. Okay, now take a look at their website, okay? Well, it's very interesting. I heard about this brand before, but I never really use it. So, okay, now how about this? I click a couple of them, like pretty outstanding to me, okay? I just double check. Did I recording? Hello. Okay, I'm recording. Okay, that's good. So now this is the P90 model number P90. Okay, we go through it. Okay, the design, I like it. So basically, the circle one is the power. It's the power supply. So this is wired. So okay, so this is interesting. Let me find out. Okay, I think they're compatible with two different kind of needles. So now the one they displayed as a tattoo. So this is universal coverage. This is very common use in US. Okay, so this is pretty much we use the most. And then the permanent makeup. This is Asia. So Asia they produce a lot of different coverage as well. So it's good if I believe it's from India, right? So this maybe we have option, pretty good. Now 79 gram, very lightweight machines. Okay, but for the machine wise is very lightweight. For me, I love the machine have a little bit weight. So because I too light the machines, I cannot feel the vibrations. Okay, between the skin to the machines. Too heavy, I don't like it. Too light, I don't like it. I just right weight. So now some ladies maybe they have a small hand, something like that. Okay, those may be suitable for you. Lightweight, what is the benefits for the lightweight is when you do eyeliner, I would prefer you using some very lightweight machines. Okay, is it make sense? Now take a look at connecting RCA. So I don't like to connect the RCA cable because why? Like the wire go over your neck, and what happened is the connector always loose. So now, for example, like this connected to the RCA, right? The cable every 2 months you need to buy a new one. So I will recommend people to use wireless machines. So of course they're going to say, oh, good for everything, even tattoo. Okay, so I concerned about the stroke length as well. Stroke length, I have another video talking about for the penetrate, right? Or tattoo. If you do a lot of big needle count, let's say for example Magnum, like you're using like 10 needles, 15 needles at the same time, you need like longer stroke length to create more power. This one, so okay for me, my personal opinion. Oh, okay, so they have a bigger adapter for this couple of them. I'm not talk about that. How about this? Okay, this one I want to talk about that. This one now, a couple of things I really like it. This is 3.0 millimeter stroke length. 3.0 millimeter stroke length is very similar with this one, Mass Seer. This is 3.0. Okay, one thing bring me attention is the now this one right here. Now the length of needle, the stroke length, and then the length of needles is different. Now the length of the needle is they talk about, you can adjust how long the needles hand out when they're operating. Okay, does it make sense? Now for example, 3.0 stroke length. This 3.0 stroke length, the range is 3.0 millimeters, right? If 3.0 stroke length, okay, the needles you hand out 3. So what happened is when the needles hand in doesn't drip the ink. So that's why 3.0 millimeters, I suggest you to use 1.5 millimeters hand out, 1.5 millimeters hand in. So sometimes you can adjust a little bit. Let's say, for example, I like the needles hand out a little bit more. I can see better. Okay, you can hand out the needles 2.0 and then hand in 1.0. So you still have 1.0 millimeters length. Let the needles have enough length to drip the ink. I know it's so complicated to explain sometimes, but once you get it, it's like this. Okay, 1000 mAh is about the opacity of the battery. I believe they come with 2 batteries. I like it, so you don't need to worry about too much. Now let's take a look at the specification. Okay, output, you take a look at the output is 4 volts to 10 volts. Now this one, the seer is, you can start only with 5 volts. Okay, this machine I'm a little bit disappointed. This is 5 volts. They should start with 4 now to 10 volts. So the 10 volt pretty much is okay. 10 volts, you don't really go over 9 to 10 volt. Honestly, to you, especially for the PMU, you don't really need it. Now the seer like to 12. So I really never go like that high. So 4 to 10, yeah, should be enough. 116 gram, pretty good weight, I think, especially for the lady's hand. Very good. Now let's talk about, they have the adjustable stroke length for PMU. Now this I can compare this one to Lola. Okay, take a look at the price. Okay, $185 is about the same with Lola, about the same. So they come with 2 batteries. Okay, pretty good. Now this is what you need to concern. The size, the weight, the diameter is about the same. The grip is a little bit different. Okay, very personal, depends on what you want to do. Now the stroke length, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is Biomaser is 6 adjustable stroke length. Now this one Lola is 6 adjustable stroke length as well. They start with same thing, 2.0. Okay, 2.2, 2.5, 2.8, 3.1. This one 3.3. This one is 3.5. It's not a big difference. Okay, 3.3 and 3.5. Now the working voltage 3 to 12. This one 3 to 10 only. So this one 3 to 12. I'm talking about like you not usually go over 9 or 10, but 12. Did you really need to use it? I'm not quite sure. So pretty much you don't really need it. Let me see something new. So these 2 machines, like for features wise, is pretty much the same. So that one right here, Biomaser don't have the RCA connection. So RCA, yeah, you don't really need to use it, but it's still okay to buy this one. Biomaser machines is okay as well. So let me take a look at the what else they have. This one K6003. Yeah, the name's so complicated. So Type C connections. So that means for charging the battery, the stroke is 2.7 millimeter stroke length. So that's why I suggest you to buy the stroke length, adjustable stroke length in the beginning. Okay, so instead of buying all the machines, one machine can replace everything, pretty much. Okay, not much different. Yeah. So let me see what else do they have. BMX. So, BMX. This is the what's it called? The adapter for the power. Again, like for the RCA, the cable always, the connection always loose. So the cable is always consistency. You need to buy it. So for me, I don't really like to use. So maybe you have different perspective. Let me know. Leave a comment below. So just by myself, my brain have one brain, but with all the audience together, okay, maybe you have different perspective. Okay, open my mind. As simple as that. So, well, you asked me here about the same, but I cannot really like test it and try for you. Very honestly, I've been using these machines like for a month. I start loving it. Any new machines into your hand, you need to get used to it. Look like you're dating someone, or you cannot say, well, this guy like first dating, well, I get know him pretty well. You need to take time. You give them a chance. Okay, so as simple as that. So hopefully I answer your questions. If you have any concern, what you can do is like you can make a video on YouTube, copy the link and leave the link below my comment, or say hello to me as well. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.